Lock in. Wish I had a Glock, shootings on the block, but I said I'm not. Private school socks with a board in the chop. Wish I was from the hood. Wish I was tough like that. I'm basically from the hood. I live in a multi-million-dollar house. I shot multiple people. This about my boy Jose. Why do all these kids think that they're from the hood? I don't know why they're not grateful. My name is Jose. I live in a rich house. But I wish I had a gun, and I wish I was a thug, shooting people up every day like a pimp and doing drugs. Were they gunshots or were they fireworks? I just wanna feel validation from the pins for sure. Were they gunshots or were they fireworks? I don't know, I'm just a kid from the suburbs. Were they gunshots or were they fireworks? I wanna flee for my life for one. Where shit really hits a fan. Now he's resorting to violence. Can you believe that? Violence to prove himself and get his own street cred. This is absurd. Nothing ever ends good when you do this, guys. Trust me. Let's see what else he's doing. Come to this is actually sad. The Grinch said that I need to get a big bag. I need to rob the place in a 40 drum mag. I'ma pull up in my I'm gonna pull up in the minivan, hop out, cop my 15 bands back and we skedaddle. I got a few friends up in Seattle, then we gotta go to Canada, we gon' travel. Cops on us 15 bands in the backseat, Toyota Celica, we going fast down the street. Feeling comfortable, that's the price of greed. If we make it out of here, dinner's on me. You can find me on 60th Street, looking around, trying to place for a meet and greet. Kosher meat and cheese, you can have it there, you can have it with me. You don't wanna know, but you can't even die, please.